This is a story about the drifter who waited for the worst cause the best lived cross town. Who never planned on having, so did. Why me, huh? And some get none, some catch a bad one, and some leave the job half done. I was one who never had and always mad, never knew my dad, the bag. Well, anyway, I did pick up, lift and click up, see many stickers, cause British had to trigger hiccups. I couldn't get a job, nappy hair was not allowed. My mother couldn't afford us, so she had to throw me out. I walked the strip, which is a clip who wanna hit. They got them quick, I had to eat this money, split and spit. I threw in braids, I wasn't paid enough. I kept them on cause I couldn't afford a haircut. I got laughed at, I got chunked, I got dissed, I got upset, I got a check and a banana clip. Was down to throw a leg to any deal attack can. I still have been broke, so a lot of coulda, woulda, did or done. If not for bad luck, I would have none. Why did I have to live a life for such a bad one? Why when I was a kid and played, I was the sad one, and always wanted to live like this a bad one. I get a passion, one next to the project, living in the slums with bums, that's and I watch it. Do I have to be like this? Mama said I'm priceless, so why am I worthless? Starving is just what being nice kid. Sometimes I wish I could afford a pistol then though. That's not the hell I would've ended things a while ago. I ain't have jack, but a black hat and knapsack. Wore scars, stolen cars, and a blackjack. Drop that, and now you want me to rap and give. Say something positive, well positive ain't where I live. I live right around the corner from West Hell, 2 blocks from South Down, and once in a jail cell. The sun never shone on my side of the street, see? And only once or twice a week I would speak. I walked alone, my state of mind was so sweet home. I couldn't keep a girl, they wanted kids with bunch of chrome. Some life, if you ain't wear gold, your style was old. And you got more juice and dope for every bottle sold. Hell no, I say there's gotta be a better way. But hey, never gamble in a game that you can play. I'm slowing, flowing, and going, and no one knowing it not now. How will I do it? How will I make it? I won't, that's how. That's how. My third year to a dogwood, it's still a knucklehead. I'm better off dead, that's what my neighbor said. I don't do jack while you're laying up the street at night, playing hide and seek with a machete, such a Freddy's wife. Some say I'm rolling on nothing but a dog now. I answer that with a kiss it in a bow wow. Cause I done been through a crack within the last week, then a block blowing and doodle on the concrete. I've been a deadbeat, dead to the world and dead wrong. Since I was born, that's my life. So I was a cat, understand. All that man, I'm in talk, damn. If you ain't living, you couldn't fall.
This is R.J. Watkins on the dance show, huh? Tell me, dancers. Are we happening? Are we happening, huh? And they said it couldn't be done, but we're doing it, huh? It's gonna be all right. Later on, we're gonna announce to Detroit about our syndication across the country, right? 100 cities. We'll talk about that later. But we'll keep it moving and we'll groove on the show, the dance show. Let's do it. was a hot dance line, huh? All right, hold a second. But rumor has it dance line 2 is gonna smoke. But as we keep grooving, here's Aaron Hall, and Don't Be Afraid. Check it out.
Baby